What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install the bike rack that goes on the hitch. Let's do it. Okay, this is a Honda Pilot. I already installed the hitch. I'm gonna put the link over there on the top and on the description of the video if you wanna get this hitch. Alright, so let's assemble it first and unbox it. Okay, this is the one I have. This is the bike rack, and the brand, this is the brand. And this can hold 3 bikes. So let's open it and assemble it. Okay, these are all the parts. I hope it's not that hard to put this thing together, but it comes with the instructions. You can see it here. So I'm gonna follow the instructions and assemble this. Okay, before I start, these are all the tools and bolts and lug nuts. So everything, it's included on the package. These are for 3 bikes. So I have those over there. So that way I won't get confused. So let's start on assembling this.
Next level. Next level.
So now the only thing left is the piece that goes on the front that hooks to the hitch. But you have to turn this thing upside down, so let's do that. Okay, this is the hitch. If your hitch is a 1 1/4 inches, you have to remove this like a slip from here. But if your hitch is 2 inches, you have to leave this on. So now it's finished. But now it's upside down. Let me turn it the other way and let's put it on the truck. So here is the hitch, is ready. It looks real good. It looks very strong. The metal, you can see it's wide and strong. You can see here. All right, so let's put it on the pilot and see how it looks. Oh, this thing is heavy. Me to lift it and put it there was a little bit hard. Okay, but I don't know if there's another way to put it so it's easier. Maybe there has like a pedal here. Maybe I have to lift this pedal and maybe it's easier to hook it up that way. So this one is heavy. You have somebody that to help you, it's better. So now let's test it with a bicycle. Okay, one mistake that I've done. You see the hook? This hook is for one bike, but this one I put it in the wrong way. It has to be for this side. So one hook per bike. So this one is in the wrong position. All right. Also, one more thing. When you're tightening the lock nuts or the bolts down, tie them hard but not too hard because this is made of plastic. You don't want to break this thing. All right, so let me fix that one, but I'm not gonna put it in the video. But if you follow the video, remember this one is in the wrong way. It has to be to the other side, so it will hook one hook per bike. right there is with the bike, the hook right there. It has a clip here so you can adjust the height of the hook. And this is the strap. It has like a clip here to adjust it, and it's pretty easy. You can see it there. Okay guys, that's the bike rack. I like it a lot. It looks very strong and resistant. It can hold 3 bikes, okay? I'm gonna put the link on the description of the video if you wanna get it. Let me know what you think. Put it in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next video.